To use your DJI Mic Mini with your DJI Neo, the first thing you need to do is pair your transmitter with your phone via Bluetooth. Turn on the transmitter by holding in the power button until the light comes on. And if you've used this transmitter with a receiver and it's connected, this might be green, but you need to switch this into Bluetooth pairing mode. To do that, you can hold down the linking button for a few seconds until this light starts blinking. Now go into your phone and into the Bluetooth settings, and you should see DJI Mic Mini. Tap that to connect to the transmitter via Bluetooth, and when it's connected, you should see this light turn solid blue. That means we've got the connection. The next thing you want to do is power on your Neo after taking off the gimbal cover, of course. I'm going to do this indoors. I don't recommend you ever fly any drone indoors. Just going to put this out of the way. And then what you want to do is open up the DJI Fly app. Once the app's open, go and connect to your DJI Neo as you would normally. And now we're connected. Just going to change this to manual control. Remember, we've got the transmitter connected. I'm going to hit record on the app to start recording a video. And if I bring this transmitter up to my face, you can see this little microphone is turning green, flashing green, telling us that we're recording some audio. And if I just take that away from my mouth, you can see, because this microphone's further away now, it's not actually recording audio. But if I bring it closer, once again, we get the signal from the microphone. So the audio is being transmitted from the transmitter to the phone via Bluetooth, and it's going to record the video with the drone, and the app is going to sync up the audio and the video for us. And the app is also going to try and take away any of that drone propeller noise, which I can show you just now. And this is what it sounds like with the drone really close to me when we're using the DJI Mic Mini with the DJI Neo.